loves me. He holds me tight, then lets me go. He loves me now, he loves me. He holds me tight, then lets me go.
Well, it's safe to say now